get too dark, I'm gonna check in with this video. Headed to do a Christmas tree install or styling. This is all new for me, y'all. This is my second paid booked client install. That one little crack in the door open a great old big door for me. That's so country. But yes, so for those of you who are seeing this content for the very first time, this is not the typical content that I post. However, things have expanded for me, and just like anything that grows, it evolves, it matures. So things that I've done on this channel 3-4 years ago are not the things that I do now, and it'll just only get bigger and better. So we're going to do this Christmas tree install, and this is something that I've always wanted to do, so I'm really excited. I came prepared this time. Last time I only had my scissors and some zip ties that I picked up from the store, but it all worked out. This time I actually have my bag that I use for my events that has a whole bunch of little gizmos and gadgets that I possibly need for an event. So I said, I'm bring that because I got scissors and wire cutters and everything in there. So I don't know what she has. Can't remember what color she told me. She initially said she wanted to do 2. Then she said, you know what? I don't feel like taking 2 trees down when it's all said and done. So let's just do 1. So that's what we're headed to do. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Make sure you click the bell so you get notified when I upload videos. And as always, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Y'all stay warm and stay blessed. it.